Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to our channel Easy Guide, and today we're going to see that how you can add your seller information on Facebook Marketplace. So there is no proper way to add seller information on Facebook Marketplace, but there is one alternative way and I'll be showing you that today. So at first you have to create new listing, and from here you can list a new product for sale. So you have to click on item for sale, and from here you can fill up these details, and from here you can see that Facebook have already added a seller information here, that is some basic details about your profile, but that is not necessary. So you have to fill all the details, the photos of your product, title, price, category, condition and everything. And after that you can go click on more details, and on this description part you can add your necessary seller information which you want to show to your customers. So this was that simple. You can add every information you want here and that will be delivered to your customer. So thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.